In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Excel as PDF in landscape. If you've got a wide spreadsheet with lots of columns, landscape orientation makes a big difference. It gives your data more horizontal space so headers don't wrap awkwardly, and important columns don't spill onto extra pages. Let's set that up and get your PDF looking clean and professional. Start by opening your workbook and selecting the worksheet you want to export. At the top of Excel, go to the Page Layout tab. This is the place where you control how your sheet will look on paper or in a PDF. It contains options for margins, size, scaling, and, most importantly for us, orientation. Next, click Orientation. A small menu appears with two choices, Portrait and Landscape. Choose Landscape. This flips the page sideways, giving you more width, which is exactly what you want for wide tables, dashboards, or reports. After choosing Landscape, it's a good idea to preview how things will look. You can do that from the same area by moving into the Print view. This preview shows you page breaks, spacing, and whether any columns are being cut off. If you notice anything tight near the edges, consider small adjustments like slightly reducing margins or using a gentle scaling option, such as fit all columns on one page. These refinements aren't required, but they help ensure your PDF is readable and well-balanced. Now, click Print. If you're saving to a PDF, choose a PDF output in your print options. Depending on your setup, that might look like a printer named Print to PDF or a Save as PDF option. When you proceed, your system will prompt you to name the file and pick a location. Choose a clear file name, select where you want it saved, and confirm. Your sheet will now be generated as a PDF in landscape orientation. Take a moment to open the file and verify the layout. Check that the columns fit as expected, headers are visible, and the overall spacing looks right. If anything seems cramped, you can return to page layout to fine-tune margins or scaling, then repeat the print to PDF step for a cleaner result. That's it. By setting orientation to landscape in page layout and using the print flow to create a PDF, you'll get a polished, wide format document that's easy to read and share. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your well-formatted landscape PDF.